Good morning everyone and welcome to the Sharekhan's pre-market action. First and foremost, we'll have a look at the global markets. Yesterday we saw the Dow closing up by 111 points on the back of the results which came out by the Citigroup, better than the estimates, and also the overall outlook going ahead is optimistic. And so we have seen the confidence coming back among the investors, and we saw a good rally in the internet stocks yesterday. Also, there is a Fed policy semi-annual meeting which is likely to be held today and tomorrow, and Janet Yellen, who is the Fed chairman, will come out with some clarity on the interest rates fund going ahead. The European markets were also positive yesterday, and also the Asian markets are trading on a positive note. Yesterday, back home, we saw the CPI and WPI numbers which came out, which were below than the estimates, and that was very positive for the markets. Overall, also the rainfall have also picked up across the regions, and we have seen also that coming out a very positive thing for the Indian markets. As far as the flows are concerned, yesterday, although the FIs were negative with the cash markets to the tune of around 558 odd crores, but the DIs are positive to the tune of around 334 odd crores. Going ahead, we'll have to look as to how the derivative open interest have built up, and we will have a look at those numbers.
Good morning friends, let's have a view on derivatives. We have seen some kind of direction-less trade in yesterday's trade, wherein Nifty closed just down by 0.06% at 7475.80. We have seen it taking support at around 7450 odd levels and then bouncing back from that level. And derivatives terms in open interest, we have seen some kind of build-up in open interest. Around 3.5% was build-up in open interest, that is 5.17 lakh shares were added in open interest. With increase in cost of carry, that is cost of carry have increased from 5% to 6 odd percentage, premium have increased a bit from 20 odd levels to 21 odd levels, indicating we cannot say it's like a short accumulation. It's a mix of long and short which has been developed in yesterday's trade. Put call ratio was more or less same at 0.65 levels. Remember friends, put call ratio is at its crucial support of 0.65, 0.67 levels, wherein we have observed whenever the put call ratio have come to this level, market have seen some kind of bounce back. Indian volatility index has been also on the lower side at 15.56%. On options front, 7,500 and 7,600 has seen good amount of activity. 7,500 from the last few trading session has seen significant amount of build up in open interest, and we feel it's a mix of long and short both. However, 7,600 has also seen good amount of activity, wherein with implied volatility down over 7,600 call option, we feel it's much of a short build up over there. However, in put option, we have seen good amount of activity in 7,100 strike price. And also 7,300 put option has seen good amount of build up. However, 7,500 strike price has seen some kind of reduction in open interest, which is more of a short covering over there. However, 8,000 call option and 7,000 put option remains as the highest in terms of open interest for this series. There are 4 securities in ban period for today's trades. That is Dish TV, GMR Infrastructure, HDIL and IRB. On FI's terms, in index futures there have been net buyers of 503 odd crores. And with open interest going down of around 1.5%, we feel majority of the buying is due to short covering. Index options, there were net sellers of 574 crores. In stock futures, there were net buyers of 196, and stock options, there were net buyers of 41 crores. Our 5 days VWAP is at 7560 with a lower range at 7,400 and higher range at 7,600. SGX Nifty is giving a positive indication of it's up by 21.5 odd points at 750, 7.50. That concludes from my side. Thank you.
Let's have a look at some of the actionable ideas for today. First and foremost, we recommend to go long on last and to grow, as the company units LNG Hydrocarbon has won 50.8 billion rupee order from the unit of Kuwait Petroleum Corporation. So we recommend to go long with a stop loss of 1565 and targeting 1645 and 1675. Coal India has resumed the work in the mine shut by the protesters. Mahanandi Coalfields resumed operations at 3 of its mines in Odisha that were shut last week, as the locals protesters plan to relocate them to make way for the planned mine expansion. Mahanandi Coalfield has a forecast of 15% rise in the production to 127 million ton for FY 2015. So we recommend to go long on Coal India, the stop loss of 351 and target 369 and 375. Positive update on the Jet Airways, Etihad Airways to lease aircraft from the Jet Airways. A Boeing 777-300 taken on lease from the partner Jet Airways will be used by Etihad to connect Delhi to San Francisco via Abu Dhabi from November 18, 2014. So we're going to go long with stop loss up to 43 and target up to 55 and 260. GMR Infra is set to kickstart the second phase of the monetization of its 230-acre land parcel near the airport. The price it might get for its land is estimated a tip of over rupees 100 crore per acre and go in the range of rupees 105 110 per acre. So we recommend to go long on GMR Infra with stop loss of 26 and target of 28. Stocks on the watch list for today: positive bias BPCL, Axis Bank, Mahindra & Mahindra, Ashok Leyland. And stock with negative bias: Reliance Industries, Cipla and ITC. Results to watch out for today: NIT Technologies, the estimated Q1 PAT is 537 billion rupees, and TTK Prestige, the estimated PAT is 327 million rupees. On the other news update, as per the media flash, government has slammed $579 million additional penalty on Reliance, and now the total penalty stands at $2.376 billion for the lower production of gas. On the other news, in a bid to improve its market position in the two-wheeler market, TVS Motors is gearing up to spruce up its launch, and it plans to launch one vehicle every 3 months for the next 3 years. Scooty Zest will now launch in August, while the success of the Star City has pushed Victor launch to December. In the previous year, TVS Motors' market share has increased from 12.1% to 12.6%. Saga Cement Board will meet to consider the sell-off of its investment in the joint venture with the Cap Cement. Another news, United Spirits has inked a pact to buy JP Impex Incorporation's Karnataka-based assets, including the plant and machinery, for rupees 11.5 crores, enhancing its liquor manufacturing capacity in the state. That's it, friends, from the morning Sharekhan's pre-market action. Thanks and have a nice day.